Hi and welcome to Treasurie. I'm Louisa and today I'm going to show you how to make a triangle shawl. This beautiful shawl just uses double crochet stitches, so it's an ideal project for beginners. If you use a self-striping yarn, you don't even have to worry about changing colours. For this pattern, you're going to need some worsted weight yarn and a 5mm hook. I use Mandala Ombre from Lion Brand. It's a self-striping yarn that comes in a lot of beautiful colours, but you can use any worsted weight yarn. We don't need to do a gauge swatch, we're going to make the shawl to measurements. I'm using a thicker yarn just so you can see the stitches clearly. Do a slip knot and insert it on your hook, and now chain 4. Yarn over, pull through, that's a chain. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. We're now going to do 2 double crochet into the first chain. A double crochet is yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 1 double crochet and we need 1 more. There you go, that's our first cluster. Chain 2. This will create a peak, and then 3 double crochet into the exact same chain. That's the chain at the end. So 1 double crochet and 2 and 3. We now have the start of our triangle. If we lay it down, that's going to be the flat bit, and here's the peak at the top. Turn and chain 3 and 2 double crochet into the base of the chain. 1 and 2, that's our first cluster. We're now going to do 3 double crochet into the peak right there. 1 and 2 and 3. That's a cluster. We need to do the peak again, which is chain 2 and another 3 double crochet into that same chain space. So you may need to push it along a little bit just to make some more room. So 3 double crochet into the chain space. There we go, there's our chain space. We're now at the end and we're going to do 3 double crochet into the top of the chain 3. Two and number 3. And that's our row 2 completed. If I just lay it out for you, you can see we've got the flat base and the top of our triangle forming there. Turn for row 3, chain 3 and 2 double crochet to start. Now what's different about this row is that we now have a space on the side. We're going to do 3 double crochet into that space. 2 and 3. Each round that you do will have 1 extra space on each side. So this time we just got the 1 space. We're now up to the chain space at the top and we're going to do the same as before. 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. There's our first cluster. Chain 2 and push it aside and another cluster into the same space. Top completed and the top of our triangle, and now we're going to repeat the side. 3 double crochet into the space and 3 double crochet into the 3rd chain from the end. There's our space, and now into the 3rd chain we're going to do 3 double crochet. And there's number 3. That's our 3rd row. And the whole shawl is exactly this pattern. You will turn, chain 3, and then double crochet 2 into the end, 3 double crochet into each space along the side. Into the top you'll do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Side is the same, just 2 clusters, and at the end you'll always do 3 double crochet into the 3rd chain. And that's it. You will keep going until your wrap is the desired size. Here's my finished wrap. It just fits on my filming table, but you can see that in this one I've actually controlled where I wanted the colours. I separated each of the colours, the pink from the blue, and then joined it when I wanted to make a stripe. It was a little bit random, but I think it's got a really nice effect. I've also added tassel. I have a full tutorial on how to make tassels. Leave the tassels with a long tie, and then you can just simply tie it onto each of the corners. So that's the wrap. Hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that'll keep you warm. See you next time.